Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to frame a garage door opening. We'll cover the critical steps to ensure a strong and functional structure for your garage door. Getting the framing right is crucial for the door's operation and the overall integrity of your garage. We'll discuss the key components like headers and studs and how to measure accurately for a perfect fit. Let's dive into the details to help you build a robust opening. First, let's focus on the main support. You'll need to install full-height king studs on each side of your opening. These provide the primary vertical support. Next, cut and attach your trimmer studs, also known as jack studs, to the king studs. These will support the header. The header itself is typically made from two 2x10 or 2x12 boards with a half-inch plywood spacer in between, creating a strong beam to span the opening and bear the load from above. Now, let's define the rough opening. For the width, add 3 inches to your garage door's actual width. For the height, add 1.5 inches to the door's height. This extra space accommodates the door tracks and weather stripping. Above the header, you'll install cripple studs. These short studs extend from the top of the header to the top plate, aligning with the wall studs to maintain structural continuity. Always double-check that all your framing is perfectly plumb and level. Before you finish, perform a thorough final check. Remeasure your rough opening to confirm it matches your garage door's specifications precisely. Ensure all fasteners are correctly installed and every connection is solid. For added durability and protection against the elements, consider applying a moisture barrier or flashing around the entire opening. Always consult your local building codes, as they may have specific requirements or inspections needed for garage door framing in your area. A well-framed opening ensures a long-lasting and smoothly operating garage door.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.